So from the activity we understood the difference in the heating and cooling of land and water. So children, now always remember that we normally feel that air gets heated due to the sun rays, yes? But in reality it is not like this. Yeah, the sun rays first reaches the land or the water. Yeah, on the surface if there is land or the water, the sun rays first reaches the land and water, and then they radiate their heat into the air. Means the whatever heat they have observed, then they pass that heat to the air. So children, the layer which is close to the earth, yeah, is more hot, and this heat is transferred in vertical direction, in the vertical direction to the upper layers. Yeah, so as we move higher up from the surface of the earth, the temperature always decreases. So the temperature near the sea level is higher and it decreases in the mountainous region. So now we all know that land gets heated and cools also down quickly as compared to the water. Yes, both of them are having envelope of air around it. Yes, so the air around the water heats slowly and also cools slowly. Yeah, but the air around the land heats faster and also cools down faster. So now children, we will learn about or will know about the temperature in the coastal area and continental area. Before that, we will learn what is coastal area. So in this diagram, you can see Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal written. So near that, India's map, can you see a blue line, blue margin for map of India at the southern part? So that blue margin is called as a coastal area. The area which is close to the water is called as coastal area. And in this picture in between, can you see the orange part? Yes, this orange part is called as a continental area, means which is inside the continent or which is inside part. Yes, away from the oceans. So, did you understand the two terms, what is coastal area and continental area? Yes. So first we'll learn about the continental region, means continentality, a condition of being in the interior part of a continent. In this region children, water vapors are absent. As water vapors are absent, the air here is dry. So as it is land, it during daytime it gets heated quickly, and as it gets heated quickly, air also will become hot quickly. So during daytime the temperature here is higher, and at night time the land cools quickly, even the air will cool quickly. So the temperature at night time in continental regions is lower. Did you understand? So in the continental region, the summer is very hot and winter is very cold. Did you understand about continental region? In this picture you can see daytime temperature and nighttime temperature. So just learn, in continental area daytime is temperature is higher and at night temperature is lower. So now we will learn about coastal areas, the areas which are close to the oceans or seas. Now children, we all know water takes time to cool, to heat. Yes, now as water takes time to heat, air will also take time to heat. So during daytime, as it is taking time to get heated, during daytime the temperature is lower. Okay, now it will slowly get heated, and as it is getting heated children, it will start releasing water vapors in the air. So water vapors get mixed in the air, and water vapors hold the heat. So what happened at night time when the land is becoming cool, here the water will become warm, and so at night time near the coastal area temperature is warmer. Yes, so there is less difference in the day and night temperature. So now we'll learn about the terms maximum and minimum. You have heard these terms in the news, on the news channel. Yes, it is mostly referred to rainfall, temperature, crops, population. Okay, so now we are going to see the use of these words in temperature. So if we will see the temperature of continental area, the temperature during daytime in continental area, this picture is higher. Can you see the red? So in that thermometer, the red line, yeah, it is a big line, yeah, means the temperature is higher, that is maximum. But at the night time you will see that red line coming down. Yes, that is, it is minimum. So is there lot of difference in this? Yes, so the temperature in continental area, as there is lot of difference, it is called as extreme temperature. How is the temperature in continental area? It is extreme. You can see it here. Yes, it is extreme temperature. Yeah, but it is different, or it changes near the coastal area. So now we'll see the daytime temperature of coastal area. Yes, so this is the daytime temperature. This is maximum temperature. You can see the red line is in more than half, little bit more than half. So this is a maximum temperature near coastal area during daytime. But other side you can see the minimum temperature of coastal area during night time. It is little below the half. So here the difference is not more, it is less. Okay, as the difference is less here, you can see the maximum and minimum temperatures of day and night time is less. So the temperature here is equable, means you will not find more difference. Yeah, but so now from this diagram we will compare the temperature of continental area and coastal area. Okay, so the maximum temperature during daytime in continental area and minimum temperature during night time in continental area, there is lot of difference in it. So in the continental area the temperature is extreme, but the temperature at daytime in coastal area and the minimum temperature at night time in coastal area, there is not so much change. The difference is very less, and so the climate or the temperature in coastal area is equable. Okay, so this is called as a range of temperature. Okay, so the definition of range of temperature is the difference in maximum and minimum temperature of a day is called diurnal range of temperature. Now in short we will learn about the continental area and coastal area. So see, the first point is of temperature, the day and night temperature we are going to see and the difference. Okay, so in continental area the day temperature is higher and the night temperature is lower, and difference is more. But in coastal area day temperature is lower, night temperature is warmer, and difference is less. Okay, so now we'll see about the places. If we'll compare the two places like Nagpur and Mumbai, okay, then temperature is even in Mumbai but it varies in Nagpur. Okay, if we'll see the range of temperature in Konkan and Vidarbha, then in Konkan the range is less, but in Vidarbha the range is higher. Range of temperature we have studied. So if we'll see the difference in the climate, then in continental area the climate is extreme and in coastal area the climate is equable. Okay.